Naririnig ko na yung chainsaw ni John because today we will cut our Christmas tree. Hello, Pita. Hi. Where's Phoebe? There's John. Sobrang ginaw. At least, tumigil na yung ulan because earlier it was raining hard. I'm excited! Oh, is this the old one? From last year, isn't it? Yeah. At least you keep that. So that you don't need to cut it again.
Where's Phoebe?
I don't know. Where's Phoebe?
Phoebe!
Phoebe! She's not here. Where's Phoebe, Pipa?
Phoebe!
Oh, she's probably...
Be careful, man.
She probably wander around. Phoebe!
Come on!
Oh, there she is. Are you cold? Come on now, girls. Come on. Yeah, that one. Jan will check first because baka merong hedgehog na nakatira sa ilalim. We don't want to kill the hedgehog.
Are you happy with that one, eh?
I am happy with that. Be careful. Use it responsibly. And that's it. It's cut.
The moment of truth.
Ah. That's very wide.
What a beautiful tree. Eh?
Beautiful tree.
You got lots of lights though, didn't you?
Oh,
Did you
yeah.
buy some more lights?
No, I didn't. Oh, well, I think so.
You did, didn't you?
I think so.
That's perfect. Look at that. That's
It's very bushy.
great. A nice tree, that. I'll take some of these at the bottom anyway, can't I?
Yeah, can you trim down? Because that's too bushy. We need probably
No, let me
here
just take
until
some off.
here,
Get your
honey.
fingers out. Mention up.
Be careful, please. One more layer. What do you? Oh no, leave it, huh? Now, leave it now. Yeah, cut that off. That's it. That's enough. Because if we cut one more layer, it will be very skinny now. Yeah, that's it.
I'll bring you down here. We'll do it out here.
What we gonna do with this?
Then we can just go back in there.
He's gonna get the log. That's it. Perfect.
Get that so it sits straight, and then pass them on. So let's just sort it out here.
Probably Julie will get that tree there next to it.
Okay.
That one.
That?
Yeah.
I do.
Well, she doesn't like a bushy tree. So at least ngayon, I don't know if we can decorate the Christmas tree today. Probably tomorrow. We can decorate it tomorrow. We're just waiting for it to dry. We don't want to put our Christmas decoration while it's wet.
It's dry.
Is it dry?
Dryish.
Dryish. So it's not dry.
Can you carry that in?
Yeah. Be careful, our tree. Yeah?
I'm surprised how heavy they are.
Is it heavy? Do you think I can lift it?
No.
No? What do you think, Pipa? What do you think about our tree? She's wet. She likes playing in the puddle. She likes playing. You like playing, huh? What are you looking, honey? What are you looking? Are you looking for a screw?
You need to get this so it's square, isn't it?
We need to make sure that it is straight.
I don't know if it was something.
Umaambon. It's raining, Han. Shall we take it inside?
No.
No? Hello. No, it's not straight. That's it. Oh, it's raining, honeybee. It's really raining. I need to go inside. Oh, it's raining.
Darling, can you look at the tree?
Yeah, it's straight, honey.
It's straight there.
Yeah, take it inside. Come on.
Darling, I need it up in the air to do it. It's easier.
No, it's not straight. On the other side. It's not straight, Han. Kawawa. Uy, umuulan na. Because there's a bit of bump in there.
Oh, it's straight.
No, it's straight. That's it.
That's straight there.
Yeah.
Come on,
Right, we'll try to straighten that inside the house, honey. Because it's raining. Oh, naku. We'll open the door for Mr. Susie. We need to open the patio door. Nandoon na si Mr. Kawawa, uy. Be careful, sweetheart. Because it's raining. Be careful because it's windy.
Mind that brolly.
Yay! Perfect. It's not perfect yet, but you know, the size is just perfect.
Is it good big?
It's alright.
Does that look straightish?
Yeah, to be fair, yes. When you put that in the corner,
Oh, what's trimming out the back really, you know?
you can do it.
Oh,
No, I mean, nobody can see on the back.
no, true. So we just leave it
So
as it
just leave it as it is.
is? Right, okay.
I don't want you to make more mess.
What the fuck?
Because, is it, oh gosh, honey. Muntik na siyang madulas. Naglaga siya. May mga patay na kasi na. I will lock the door. There you go. May mga dried leaves kasi. Yan oh. Kaya ayun, nalagas siya. So ito na yung Christmas tree natin. Ginamit ko to kahapon. Kasi umuulan kahapon. Nag-attend ako kahapon ng live vlog session. And ipapakita ko rin pala sa inyo yung napamili ko kahapon. Kasi nag-ikot-ikot kami. Mostly sa ikot-ikot namin. Window shopping lang talaga kasi sobrang daming sale. Pero yung inaalala ko yung pagbibit-bit, mabigat. So, nakabili ako ng mga gusto ko nang bilhin. Like, makikita nyo. Papakita ko sa inyo yun ang pamili ko. So, ito yung nabili ko. So, first is ito. Pumunta kami sa Gap at bumili ako ng work trousers. Matagal na akong naghahanap ng work trousers. At nakita ko to, size 0 siya sa US at sa UK, size 4 siya at sobrang fit na fit siya sa akin. Yung length, sobrang sakto, yung fitting, sakto talaga. Yung presyo niya from $3.99 and 99 pence, naging 29 pence and 99 pence siya. So, 30 pounds. So, bumili ako ng dalawa. Dinalawa ko na kasi paminsan-minsan lang talaga ako makita ng trousers na magkakasya sa akin. So, same lang sila. Same color, same style. And the second item, ito, bumili ako ng jumper. Red jumper. May glitter to. Nakikita nyo ba? It's glittering. Yan. Because I am working on Boxing Day, and on Boxing Day, we're not wearing our uniform. So, nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, it's perfect because it's not as thick. Kasi pag nagde-jumper ako ng thick sa loob ng bahay, sa bahay na pinagtatrabahuan ko, sa care home, sobrang init doon kasi yung heater naka-turn on all the time. So, ito, sana magkasya to. Hindi ko pa to trinay. Pero yung size niya is, ano ba yung size niya? Small to medium. So, yung original price niya is 25 pounds. Naging 16 pounds na lang siya. Hindi ko na maalala kung saan ko to nabili. Pero anyway, ito na yung last item natin. From Mark and Spencer. Yung size niya is size 6. Yung original price niya is 35 pounds. Naging 17 pounds na lang siya and 50 pence. So, it's a cardigan. Naghahanap din ako ng cardigan na pang-dress. Kasi yung cardigan na pang-dress ko is yung black lang. So, gusto ko naman na mapalitan yun. Binili ko to kasi minsan lang din ako makakita ng cardigan na sobrang kasya sa akin. Diba? So, I grabbed the opportunity. Yan. Maganda.
How is it?
It's good. What do you think? I like this.
Yeah, it looks alright. It's not straight.
No. Do you like my cardigan for dress?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you like the tree anywhere?
It's not straight. Learning that work.
It's not straight.
Depends where you stand it for, isn't it?
I
I'm
don't
still
know.
leaning a bit. Right, I need to turn it.
I don't think so. It's leaning, huh?
Slightly better.
Slightly better.
Alright, that'll do. That's fine. It's leaning the right way, so it's leaning into the wall, so...
Well, never mind.
It's,
No, it's okay.
stable, it's fine.
It is stable now.
Nice tree, that.
Yeah, your hard work.
10 years growing.
10 years of growing. Honey, I forgot to tell you something. I told you that Ate Mary organized and bought the ticket. And we think it is 45 pounds. The ticket. It says there on the ticket 22 pounds and 70 pence. That's both ways already. Return and
Oh, £22.
22 pounds.
Right, okay.
So yeah, I'll give your money back.
So it's £22,
Not 40.
£45.
Yeah, not 40 something.
How much did they give you? 100?
Don't give me that. Jan have to give me some cash because I told to Ate Mary that I will give you some cash. And no, I did not actually say that. I said, can you give me your bank details? Pero sabi niya na just give me some cash, and I don't have some cash. And
it's a good job, actually.
my kind mister, sometimes he is kind.
All the time.
He gave me some cash. So thank you, Han. I will give your money back later.
Oh, good job.
Yeah, so yeah. It's good experience, Han. I learned so much from that trip.
What, how do you want to earn?
Yeah, I mean, you know, 22 pounds and 70 pence. It's for going there. It's cheap, I think. I don't know.
Well, it's cheap.
Is it?
It's cheaper than fuel, isn't it?
Yeah, this is it.
And no traffic.
Yeah.
How big was Piccadilly?
Piccadilly, it's very big.
Yeah.
That's why I did not have the chance to vlog because
How many platforms is there?
14.
Really?
Yeah, there's a lot people just like my head is like that.
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
That's what I love about cities.
Yeah, my head is just
Same here,
everywhere.
watching up people.
No, seriously, it's like I want to learn while I was there, observing people, what they're doing. It's such a busy station. So ito na, yan. Maganda siya ay. I really like it. Good choice. I'm happy with this. Ito, makikita mo talaga yung glitter. Lalo na pag sinuot mo na yung jumper. At gustong gusto ko yung material niya. Sobrang soft and okay to isuot sa trabaho ngayong Boxing Day kasi hindi siya thick. Sobrang thin lang ng material. Yan. And I never had a jumper in this color. Bright red yung kulay niya. And as you know me, I always go to like darker color, like mga burgundy na color. Mostly sa mga jacket ko, sa mga mga top ko, burgundy talaga. So, this is my first ever bright red jumper. Yan. And I tell you what, I don't have a bright yellow clothing. I never had a bright yellow clothing. Natatakot kasi ako magsuot ng bright yellow kasi maitim ako, diba? Natatakot ako na hindi siya babagay. So, that's why I always tend to go to a darker color kasi feeling ko nag-mamat siya sa skin tone ko. And yeah, I mean, I just need to explore my fashion. I always tend to stick to what I think it is suitable for me. At yung iba nga, sabi nila na you need to explore. And yes, I will try to explore. Try. John is going to pick the Polaris.
Eh?
I'm talking to myself as usual. So what do you want tonight?
Anything.
Anything.
Oh, not too silly. We got garlic bread I bought today. We got, I don't know. I should have got pizza or something. Shouldn't I?
It's okay.
Anything, darling.
Okay, take care, please.
Sausages. Chipolatas.
Well, shall we? Yeah.
Get the unfrozen ones.
The frozen one.
The ones I got today, because they won't be frozen properly yet, will they?
Do you think so? Okay, take care, Han. Yeah, this one is not so frozen yet. Bye-bye. So, aalis siya to pick up the Polaris. My left arm still aching. Yung left arm yung kinunan ng dugo. So, yung experience ko pala sa pag-attend ng Road to Competency live blood session, it was a great experience talaga. Yung nag-supervise sa amin, she is a certified phlebotomist. And nung nag-pair kasi kami na sinupervise niya. So, like for example, ikaw yung kukuha ng dugo sa akin at ako yung kukuha ng dugo sa'yo. So, dito. Yung kapares ko lalaki siya. Yan oh, dito. Dito kinunan ng dugo. Hindi naman siya nag-bruising, pero hindi ko alam if I am just being a softie. Pero masakit pa din yung arms ko. So, sa classroom, sa klase namin, ano kami? 10 students. So, 5 pairs kami. And, yeah, maghihintay na lang ako sa aking certificate. Yung certificate. At least, na-experience ko na kung paano kumuha ng dugo sa real person. Maganda yung experience ko. Marirecommend ko sa inyo. Kung taga-UK ka at gusto mo mag-training ng phlebotomy, ilalagay ko yung company nila dito sa screen. geopace.net ata yun. So, ilalagay ko dito. So, i-check nyo kasi dito different locations and different courses. I-check nyo. So, hindi ko to pinopromote dahil binabayaran nila ako. Hindi ako binabayaran nila. Pinopromote ko dahil maganda yung service nila. So far. So far sa na-experience ko, maganda yung service nila. So, yun. I-check nyo. So, ngayon, magde-decorate tayo sa ating Christmas tree. So, ito yung Christmas tree natin. Ito yung mukha ng Christmas tree natin pag wala pang dekorasyon. At yung mga decoration dito, nandito lahat. So, yeah. Samahan niyo ako mga palangga na magdekorasyon sa ating Christmas tree. Today is the 7th of December. So, 7 na. Ngayon ko palang didekoritan yung ating Christmas tree. At least, meron na nga tayong Christmas tree kasi last year, I don't know what date we put our Christmas tree, but I think mga nasa 10 na yun namin nilagay. I think, hindi ko na malala. But anyway, yun na. Ita-timelapse ko kayo ha. So, panoorin nyo akong gumagalaw Panoorin nyo akong nagde-decorate sa ating Christmas tree. Tapos na ako sa pagde-decorate sa ating Christmas tree. Hindi ko na ilalagay lahat yung mga Christmas balls. Ito, mga red and green kasi. Yung nilagay ko lang is yung gold, silver, white. So, yeah, ito na. Happy na ako sa ating Christmas tree. So, Merry Christmas mga palangga. Merry Christmas everyone! So, ito yung simple Christmas tree natin. Yan. And sa top ng ating Christmas tree, merong Santa doon na nakahawak ng gift. So, yung mga Christmas decoration natin, puros mga luma yan. Pupunta tayo siguro ng Tesco. Bibili tayo ng bagong dekorasyon. Isa lang. I have this... hindi tradition naman, pero I have this thing na kailangan kahit isang piraso lang ng Christmas decoration na bago, bibili ako every year. Kasi last year, ano ba yung binili ko last year? Saan na ba yun? Ano ba yung binili ko last year? I think yung binili ko last year is yung pine cones ata yun. Nandito ata. Oh yeah, ilalagay natin to. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko to ilalagay, but then we'll find a place for this. Ito yung binili ko last year. Yan, maganda siya. Yan. So I need to figure out where I gonna put this. Ito. So ito na, nailagay ko na yung ito, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag niyan, pero yeah, yan sila. We will open our pang ilan na ba? Pang 8. Is it 8? No, pang 9. Pang 9. Pang 9 na. Hindi ko na maalala, di ba? Pang 9 na item sa ating beauty advent calendar kasi 6. Yeah, yung 8 nabuksan na. So, pang 9 na to. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung 9th item natin. A lippy. I can tell it's a lippy. Ah, it's a lippy. I hope maganda yung shade niya. Nakikita niyo ba ako? Dumidilim na kasi sa labas. Hindi ko tinorn on yung ating ring light. Ang ganda ng hawakan niya ay, ang napapansin ko sa ating beauty advent calendar, yung mga packaging nila sobrang cute. Ang weird ng amoy, ha? Mint. Ewan ko ba. Yung shade niya is strawberry whip. Yan. Hindi ako sure sa shade. Madilim na kasi, kaya ayun, parang pink ba siya or may pagka-red? Hindi ako sure. But I think itong shade na to bagay to sa mga mapuputi. Pero i-try natin. Yeah, I think it's okay. So, anyway mga palangga, dito ko na rin to i-end yung vlog, okay? So, I'm so sorry but lately I've not been feeling so well. Hindi niyo siguro nahalata, but then my body is just, I don't know if I am just under the weather, pero palagi ako nag-i-sneeze. So, I am drinking a lot of water. So, anyway, huwag niyong kalimutan yung giveaway natin. Sumali na kayo at i-announce ko yung dalawang winner natin sa 20th of December. So, good luck sa mga sasali at maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. Maraming salamat! Bye! Mwah, mwah.